Hi, you are watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
Are you from the PAUR and the PLSW? I don't think I'm any different at all. I'm still the same person. I'm just busier now. How are you living your life anymore? Well, it's been very busy. I've worked every day, and I've adjusted to New York actually. And I love the Broadway shows, the food. The weather hasn't been that punishing yet. So it's been great. How are you loving? How is it similar to being in New York and Manila? Well, they're both big cities, but obviously New York is much bigger. But I've always been a city girl. I feel most comfortable being in a busy environment. That's where I feel most comfortable. It's weird, I know. I'm not really the type to lounge about in the beach because I get agitated. Like I want to get up and start working. So I like being in both places. Aside from your hobby and pag-eat and picture what are you looking forward to this entire time at the gym? I want to see my friends, all of them, as much as possible if I can. And I want to around and see all the places where I used to go every day, almost every day when I was training. I mean, it's nice to go back to where you once were before where I once was before all of this. So that's what I want to do. If I can get the time, which I don't think I will, but if I can, then just want to have a look around. I know it's so surprised ang mga Pinoy about you, hindi nila alam kasi look at your life now, like the big the queen, successful. Sobrang kalug ko. Sobrang komedyante ko as in sa mga magkakaibigan. Sobrang kulit ko. Ang dami kong baong joke. Pero syempre, hindi ko naman mailabas lahat ngayon. But I'm still, I want people to know na hindi naman porket beauty queen ka parang, oh my God, hindi ka na mahawakan, hard to reach ka na, parang andiyan ka na sa taas, ganyan. Tapos parang hindi na makagalaw, parang bang robot. Ayoko nang ganun eh. Gusto ko yung makita nila yung sarili nila sa akin na, ay parang natural pa rin naman pala siya. Tanggalin na natin yung image sa mga beauty queen na parang parang hindi pwedeng magkamali, yung gano'n. Hindi naman, yun eh, realistic, diba?
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.